Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Celia. So I posted a video, I think that was my last video, how I did these highlights, and in that video I told you guys that I would make a video showing, well, not make, because I already did make it. I will post another video showing how I did the cut. So now this is the video showing you guys how I did the cut. And yeah, I don't want to talk too much or make this video too long, so and I'm gonna show you the cut that I did in my last video, the long round layers. And this is the sectioning for the cut. So I just have from the crown ear to ear parting. I'm gonna do center parting. Okay, so this is the center parting. I'm going to make my subsections ear to ear in a diagonal. So I'm going diagonal, 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 and each section, the first one I'm going to cut this way. So I'm going to do my first subsection, and as I said, it's diagonal. So now that I have the two subsection, I'm going to take 1/2 inch from each side, another 1/2 inch from this side. So in total should be 1 inch. Then I'm gonna stand directly in front. So I'm gonna turn the mannequin head like this. I'm gonna cut just a little bit below my chin, so right here. So right straight across. So palm to palm cut, and then I'm gonna go. That's fine. So I'm gonna go around, and for my next section, I'm gonna cut it diagonal, and I'm not gonna move from where I am. I'm gonna do another diagonal parting. Go back to the top. So pretty much I'm doing the same thing. Take my guide, which is what I use cut before, and now I'm gonna elevate. I'm gonna do the same thing, like, you know, hold it up, but I'm going like a little bit further. So now that I reached to the back, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like triangle section going all around, and so I'm gonna take out some of my section that I already cut from the front as my guide. And from the center point right here, I'm going to make a triangle section. This is going to be hard because, you know, this tracks So it probably won't be as perfect if I was using real head or something, but as long as I have some sort of cut, right? So I'm going to do that, then I'm going to comb everything upwards all the way to the top. I'm going to be behind the mannequin head. As you guys can tell, that's where my guideline is. So I'm just gonna cut